Hello, this is J.C. Watkins, and I'm here to discuss with you our new management review instrument, which we're calling MRI, which is a self-assessment tool for programs to use in a streamlined approach for evaluating their program and conducting the required annual self-assessment. We're going to have a training on this tool. It's coming up in November 19th and 20th in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a new device. It's a streamlined approach for conducting our self-assessment, and it features heavily the idea of informing stakeholders about the condition of our organization, the finance, the services, the communications, and the facilities. In our training, you will learn a variety of approaches for conducting self-assessment. One of the items that we're recommending in the MRI is using simple focus groups for feedback. We'll still use observations, interviews, and records check, but it's going to be a much more streamlined approach. And the idea is to tie together what we're doing on program planning in terms of 5-year goals and objectives with what's transpiring within the program and what's being reported out as part of self-assessment. One of the critical elements with conducting a program evaluation is reporting out the results in a way that is meaningful and understanding both to the specialists or managers within the program, as well as to our stakeholders, namely the board and the policy council, but possibly other community-based organizations, in a way that makes sense, that shows progress, and that can brief people so that for those who are going to be part of focus area reviews, they will be up to date in what's going on. This training session has been designed for Head Start staff, volunteers, board members, policy council members. We realize that you'll probably bring primarily your program managers, and that's fine. Uh, but we have designed this so that all can be accommodated and that various points of views will be given emphasis throughout the workshop. I hope that you will join us. As I said, it's the MRI. It's a new instrument. It ties the 5-year goals and objectives to the annual reports to the public, to the requirement for self-assessment, to reporting out of goals and accomplishments. And this will be held Tuesday and Wednesday, November 19th and 20th at the Inn at Opryland Hotel. So I hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at the numbers or email address listed below. Thank you.